Hello beautiful people, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox the new season luxury beauty box by Next Beauty. New season luxury beauty box is retailed for £40 and worth over £160. Next Beauty claims that the box is filled with 4 full-size products and 3 travel-size products. This time the box is big and heavy, and this gives us big hopes. Okay guys, let's open the new season luxury beauty box and find the treats. What is new this time is that we don't find the leaflet. Maybe they forgot to put one. Or maybe we will not find the leaflet anymore, but this is not very important. Let's move to the products, and first we find the full-size product from Philip Kingsley. Is a hair mask, elasticizer therapies, deep conditioning treatment. Is a rich and deep conditioning pre-shampoo treatment to boost elasticity, moisture and strength your hair. Leaves the hair bouncy, silky and shiny. I tried this pre-shampoo treatment in the past and it's great. I like it a lot. First, it smells divine, and second, the hair looks shiny and healthy after this mask. Ooh! Here we have a palette from Iconic London. Dewy Glow Highlight is a highlighters palette. Iconic London have beautiful and chic packaging, and this palette is beautiful too. From Iconic London I tried a couple of products. Not all of them was amazing. They have a lip gloss, I forgot how it's called. It's a very nice lip gloss, I like it a lot. And I like the contour pots, very interesting and very nice product. About this highlighters palette, I am not sure that I like it a lot. The shades aren't mine. Obvious, here we have a creamy formula, and as far as I can see, we have glitters in the formula, and again, this is not what I like. Let's move forward, and third we find another full-size product. This time is from Elemis, Soothing Apricot Toner. Is a calming facial toner that tones the skin and helps maintain its natural pH level without the use of alcohol or other harsh ingredients. Elemis is a very good brand. I tried a lot of their products and I love them. Fourth product from the box is from the brand Ren Clean Skincare. Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly removes makeup, SPF and pollution. Is a rich, unique free-phase formulation that transforms from gel to oil and from oil to milk to dissolve away makeup, pollution and even SPF. I love a brand Ren approach to the beauty and to the planet, and I tried a couple of their products, but unfortunately they didn't work for me. I'm not saying that they are bad, I'm just saying that unfortunately they doesn't suit my skin needs. Fifth, we find a product from the brand Oskia London. Renaissance Mask, Nutri-Active Brightening and Resurfacing Mask. I know that I found this mask in the past in a beauty box, but I don't remember exactly if I like it or not. We will find out this time. Sixth, we find a travel size product from Mercier, Caviar Stick Eye Color in the shade Metallic Taupe. I need to check if I have this shade. And the last product from the beauty box is a travel size perfume, Floral Street Sunflower Pop Eau de Parfum. A citrus fruity fragrance from the bright, expressive, vibrant and happy. Guys, this perfume smells divine. I like it a lot. It's perfect for spring and summer. I love it. And here are all the products from the new season luxury beauty box by Next Beauty. What do you think about this box? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below this video. I will be very happy to read your comments. For me, it's a great box. We found 4 full-size products and 3 travel-size products, exactly how the Next Beauty claimed. Very nice box. I am pleased. And this was today's video. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!